Now we have, you can open and close the lid. There's the close. We could do electrolyzed water. That's the sterilized stuff. It's gonna close the lid, so you guys might not see it, but maybe it'll do some display up here or something. That's pretty cool. It says this toilet doesn't have infrared sensors. It senses you through microwave induction. I don't know how that works, but it senses your microwaves when you're nearby and it just opens up. Is this a touchscreen? Water temp. It is. Oh, touchscreen. Seat temp. Look at the dots. 5 different levels of each. It's water temp, seat temp, air temp. And you got different levels. That's max temp. And your air position, in case when you're going, you don't feel like it's in the right place, you can move it back and forth a bit. There's an eco button right there. And then you have your water pressure and your air speed here. So there's a bunch of different options on this. It's freaking sick. Like, I didn't think that there was a touchscreen part on the remote too. Dang. That looks so clean. Well, that's it, man. That's all the features of the remote. Oh. And then you just leave it there. Boom. You know, I think my favorite part is the foot thing. Look at this. When you adjust the water temp, it also has a display on the back of the toilet. So like, it's on number 4, and that's number 5. So that's the hottest setting, 102 degrees Fahrenheit, or you could just turn the water heat off, or, you know, baseline 91. So just go through them all. And then we can do the same thing for seat temp. And for the air temp when it's drying you off. And then I also kind of want to go over these manual buttons here real quick, or at least show them. Front wash button, a posterior wash, of course we can't show unless we're sitting on it, and the flush button, so we can at least do a flush. That's actually not a button. It's just like a touch. Hey, and the foam lasts a while too. Okay, real quick, I want to just turn the seat temp up as high as possible, so it's on max heat. And I want to take a look at this thing and see if it's actually going to get warm. Okay, let's take a look at the toilet. Can we zoom out at all? Okay, I have to just stand back. Look at that. She's getting hot. I think there's my foot. See, it's basically body temperature. It's definitely getting warm. All right, yay. So that's hottest. Cool.